In today's video, we're diving deep into the psychology behind love and attraction. Many believe that women are the emotional ones, but studies show that men often take the lead in falling head over heels. We'll explore 5 compelling secrets that explain this phenomenon. So stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss these insights that could change your perspective on love. 1. The power of visual attraction. Men are wired to respond strongly to physical attraction. Studies suggest that men often fall in love faster because their brains react more quickly to visual stimuli. A captivating smile or an alluring figure can trigger feelings of infatuation almost instantly. This initial attraction often sets the stage for deeper emotional connections. 2. The pursuit instinct. For many men, the thrill of the chase fuels their emotions. The excitement of winning someone over can accelerate their feelings of love. This competitive nature often drives men to express their affection more boldly and quickly. As they pursue, they create an emotional bond that can lead to quicker attachment. 3. Lower emotional barriers. Men typically have fewer emotional barriers when it comes to love. While women may analyze and reflect on their feelings, men often dive right into their emotions without hesitation. This willingness to embrace vulnerability can lead to faster connections and stronger feelings. As a result, men might find themselves falling in love before they fully realized it. 4. Societal expectations. Society often encourages men to take the lead in relationships. This cultural expectation can push them to express their feelings earlier and more openly. When a man believes he should be the one to initiate love, he may do so with greater speed and confidence. This societal pressure can influence the timing of when love blossoms. 5. The emotional brain. Interestingly, neuroscience shows that men can experience love differently than women. Research indicates that the male brain may process emotional attachments more quickly. Men often engage in a more straightforward approach to relationships, allowing them to form bonds faster. This emotional wiring plays a crucial role in why men might find themselves in love sooner. Thanks for watching. We hope these secrets have shed light on why men may fall in love faster than women. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. See you in the next one.